Watch me turn this into this. Thinking about building your own pond but don't know what to do? Well, guess what? Watch me, because I don't know either. But we can learn together. This is day 0 of building a pond at the cabin. In all seriousness, though, I am going to build a pond. We know how to take something ugly and make it beautiful. And I encourage you, if you've been thinking about it, to watch along. I've seen videos, and I love to watch them, where it's a 20-minute video or a 15-minute video of somebody who does it from start to finish, and it's done. This will not be that. This will be showing you step by step the things I'm doing along the way, the mistakes I'm making, the success I'm having, and I want you to join me. If you're interested in seeing something like that take place, subscribe to the channel and watch from day 1 as I start the digging and make mistakes and learn how to build a pond.